Namaskar. Today, I want to share very important thing with you all. While I personally believe and recommend cooking fresh meals every day, there are many people who prepare food in bulk, store it in the fridge, and then reheat it to save time due to their busy schedule. However, there are some foods that can become harmful when reheated. Although reheating food is a very common practice, but Ayurveda and food science suggests being cautious with certain foods. Let me tell you some very common food items that you should never reheat. Number one is cooking oil. Reheating cooking oil, especially those with low smoke point, leads to the formation of free radicals. These compounds have been linked to various health problems like diabetes, obesity, heart disease, and many more. Consuming it also increases your level of bad cholesterol, which only adds fuel to the fire and increases the risk of heart disease, including strokes. There is a reason why roadside food is considered harmful for health. It's best to use fresh oil each time you cook. Second one is mushrooms. Mushrooms are favorite of many. They are the rich source of plant-based protein. On reheating it, some of these proteins break down. This not only just changes the flavor of this food, but also produces certain toxins. These toxins can lead to upset stomach and digestive issues. It's best to enjoy your mushroom dishes fresh or cold without reheating. Next on the list is a group of certain vegetables which are the powerhouse of nutrients but also contains something known as nitrate. These nitrates gets converted into harmful nitrites and potentially carcinogenic compounds when reheated. Examples of such vegetables are spinach, beetroot, celery, and turnips. Turnip in Hindi is called as shalgam. Reheating this vegetable is potentially dangerous. Enjoy them freshly cooked as curries or add them fresh to your soups and salads. These are some food items that you should never reheat. Remember, our health is our greatest wealth, and taking a small step can make a big difference in our overall well-being. By being mindful of not only what we eat, but also what we reheat before we eat, we can avoid many long-term health risks and ensure that we are nourishing our body in the right way, in the best way. Namaskar.